Fresh new paint. New windows just installed in the bedroom. Granite kitchen countertop. HVAC was replaced in 2018. Enjoy first floor, low maintenance, one-level living in this centrally located condo in an amenity-rich community. No steps. There is no shortage of storage. This condo conveniently has 2 large storage. One outside the unit and one inside. Condo fee includes water/sewer/trash removal. Spacious living room with sliding glass doors to the rear patio. Bedroom with brand ceiling fan and lights, and full-length closet. Large storage closet off the living room in addition to an outside storage room. Laundry closet with full-size washer and dryer. Dryer only a few years old. Amenities to include pool, tennis, clubhouse with exercise room, tot lots, jog/walk paths, barbecue area, car wash area and scenic area with tranquil pond. Party room available to use with a refundable deposit. 1 assigned parking space plus visitor parking. Seconds to Braddock Rd, Route 28, Route 29, I-66. Shopping, dining right across Braddock Rd. Easy access to FX Co Pkwy, 66, 29 and 28. Active on-site management and community amenities. Easy access to shopping center. Offers are due on May 4, 2021 at 5 p.m. The seller likes to reserve her rights to accept offer before the deadline. Please follow the CDC Guideline.